Buying your first home in the USA can be truly thrilling and exciting, but it can also be incredibly confusing and overwhelming. Don't fret too much. In this video, we'll break down the simple 5 steps you need to follow if you're planning to buy your very first home. From preparing to finally holding the keys in your new residence, we'll guide you through the entire process. So let's begin. Before you even begin your search, make sure you take the necessary steps to assess how much you can comfortably afford. This includes calculating your income, examining your debts, and understanding your credit score. Typically, lenders are more likely to approve a loan for a borrower with a credit score of 620 or higher. Additionally, it's important to save at least a 5% to 20% down payment on your new home. Once you've confirmed you can afford the price of the home you're interested in, it's time to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This important step will help you determine how much you can borrow from a lender, showcasing that you're genuinely serious about buying the property. To get pre-approved, you'll need to provide identification, income proof, and bank statements to your chosen mortgage broker. Choosing the right real estate agent can make your journey a whole lot easier and smooth. While you may be tempted to take one on faith, it's best to do your research and choose someone who has experience in your area and knows the area well. Remember, the buyer's agent is typically free for you, and they're paid by the seller. Now comes the fun part, the actual search for your dream home. Make a to-do list of what must-haves you want in your new place, and use reliable platforms like Zillow or Redfin to help you find properties that fit your needs. Make sure to visit open homes and compare your options before making your final decision, and make sure you're informed about the neighborhoods in search of. Once you've found the perfect home to suit your needs, your agent will help you negotiate a price and even prepare the necessary documentation for the closing process. And just like that, you'll finally get your keys and move into your new home in the USA. And subscribing to our channel for more real estate advice and guides every week.